Welcome to our guide on referring a friend on DraftKings. In this video, we're going to explore how the referral program works and how you can earn rewards and bonuses. First, let's find your unique referral link within the DraftKings app. Open the app, go to your account settings, and look for the referral link section. Now that you have your referral link, let's discuss the best practices for sharing it with your friends and family. Make it personal and explain the benefits they can get. Before you start, it's vital to understand the terms and conditions of the referral program. Ensure you're clear on what both you and your friend need to know. So, what do both you and your friend earn? Here's how the rewards structure works. You can earn bonuses when your friend signs up and places their first bet. Let's explore some strategies to maximize your earnings. Consider small competitions among friends or leveraging social media to reach a larger audience. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. We'll answer some common questions and provide troubleshooting tips to help you out. Hear from some happy users who took advantage of the referral program and reaped the rewards. Their stories are truly inspiring. Now that you're all set, it's time to start your referral journey. Refer your friends, earn rewards, and enjoy the benefits of the DraftKings referral program.